Dienes is charged with killing Joe Kopp and burying him in the backyard of his Seven Hills home. Bay Village police are also looking at Dienes in connection with the 1989 Mahalovic murder case. News Channel 5's Paul Kiska spoke with his attorneys. And Paul, what are they saying today?
Well, they say they can prove Frank Dienes did not commit aggravated murder in the Joe Kopp case, and they say he'll be cleared for the second time in the Amy Mahalovic case, despite what they call recent buzz around Amy's case.
We certainly have been contacted. There's a buzz about whether or not there's a connection to this case, but nothing has changed in the many years since that tragedy.
Frank Dienes' attorneys say they have been contacted by Bay Village police, who are looking at Dienes in connection with the Amy Mahalovic case. They first questioned him about Amy in 1995.
We expect that the Bay Village police will say we looked at it again, and Mr. Dienes is no longer a suspect again.
They didn't comment specifically as to why they ruled him out years ago. However, it was clear that they did rule him out. He was never formally charged with anything with respect to her.
Neighbors say Joe Kopp told them for years that Dienes killed Mahalovic. Dienes' attorneys call those claims rumors. As News Channel 5 first reported yesterday, Dienes and Kopp were neighbors 21 years ago.
There was a relationship that went back, obviously quite some time, and to what extent that relationship was and exactly what it was, that'll be something that I do think will be an issue at trial.
Dienes' attorneys wouldn't say what happened between Kopp and Dienes, but say they'll prove it wasn't aggravated murder. A next-door neighbor of Frank Dienes says his wife told her this.
She had just mentioned to me that if I happened to talk to any of the neighbors, she wanted me to make sure to tell them that what happened was self-defense.
Frank Dienes was supposed to be in court this afternoon for a pre-trial hearing, but that hearing was canceled. A psychological evaluation that was scheduled for this morning was postponed as well. Both will be rescheduled. Dienes can post bond, but for now his attorneys say that will take time. In the newsroom tonight, Paul Kiska, News Channel 5.